Imagine you have 100 kilograms of potatoes. Mathematically speaking, these potatoes are almost entirely liquid, 99% water and only 1% solid matter. You leave them out in the sun for a day. By the next morning, the water content has dropped to 98%. Only a 1% drop in water. You'd expect them to weigh maybe 99 kilograms, right? But the reality is that their weight has exactly halved. They now weigh only 50 kilograms. Why does this feel so wrong? Our brains hear 1% less water and instinctively calculate 100 minus 1 equals 99. The problem is that we treat percentages as absolute values when they actually describe ratios. Think of it like toppings on a pizza. If pepperoni covers 1% of your pizza and cheese covers 99%, and you want the pepperoni to cover 2% instead, you can't just add a tiny bit more pepperoni. You need to remove half the cheese so that the same amount of pepperoni now represents twice the proportion. In mathematics, there is a powerful trick. Look for the invariant. Look for what does not change. The solid part of the potatoes doesn't evaporate. That 1 kilogram of dry matter is our anchor. Before drying, this 1 kilogram was exactly 1% of the total mass. After drying, the water is 98%, which means, by definition, the solid matter must now represent the remaining 2%. If 1 kilogram is now 2% of the new total, we just have to solve a simple equation. 2% times the new mass equals 1 kilogram. This means the new mass is 1 divided by 0.02, which equals 50 kilograms. What we are seeing here is a hyperbolic relationship. As we approach the 100% mark, the curve becomes extremely steep. In this zone, every tiny change in percentage leads to a massive change in the result. Moving from 99 to 98% water is a much bigger deal than moving from 50 to 49%. The potato paradox is a warning. It shows us that numbers can be deceptive without the context of their ratios. Math isn't just about calculation, it's about finding the right fixed points in a changing world. Did you feel the solution intuitively, or did the 1% catch you? Let me know in the comments.